Tonight is a particularly special evening for me. I have been looking forward to this evening for a very long time. It's currently about -3 degrees Celsius. I guess it could get colder than that. Very little wind. I'm just glad that there's hardly any wind, because the wind can make all the difference. Let me get into my sleeping bags. I've got 3 of them. Ha! Ha! This is cozy. Look at that. This is going to be good.
Let's just pause the video right there. Before you head out into the mountain, please make sure that you have the right equipment. The mountain can be a lovely place, but it can also be a deadly place. Make sure that you are prepared.
This is actually very cozy. Much more comfortable than what I expected. It is now 12:30 in the morning. I've been sleeping for a little over 3 hours. The only thing that has changed is the wind. It's quite windy right now. I've spent many nights in my tent where I was way more uncomfortable than this. It's probably a good time for a midnight snack. Wow, that's so hard. Want some? It's currently 4:45. This is actually my normal wake up time. I feel well rested. This is called a rocket stove. So for anyone that has seen a rocket stove, normally they're made out of metal. I made this one out of offcuts, wooden offcuts. And the idea is, if you light it in the front, it has a hole running this way and a hole running that way, so an L-shaped hole, and you should see the smoke coming out the top shortly. And that's how it goes. It then burns and consumes itself. And I have 3 nails driven into the top for my pot so that I can boil some water on top of it. I'll just place it there to get some heat. Also, I still have some chocolate left. Please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.